Imagine getting to the airport, ready for vacation, only to be told your outfit could keep you off the plane. Sounds wild, right? But airport rules are changing fast. Today, we're breaking down the latest airport regulations, what you can wear, how small your carry-on needs to be, and more. We'll cover dress codes, surprise baggage fees, and even some sci-fi tech you'll see at the gate. Stick with me, and you'll be the most prepared traveler in the terminal. Let's dive into the 10 new rules that could derail your next trip if you're not ready. Let's start with the dress code. Airlines are getting pickier about what you wear. It's not just about offensive slogans. Now, overly revealing clothes or even leggings can get you flagged. The rules are vague and buried in the fine print, so you might not know you're in trouble until you're at the gate. I've seen people told to cover up or even change outfits, and if you can't, you might be denied boarding. Leggings, crop tops, and thin fabrics are all on the radar, especially for staff or buddy pass travelers. But these rules are creeping into regular tickets too. It feels arbitrary, but the safest bet is to dress in layers. Think t-shirt, hoodie, and joggers. You might sacrifice a little comfort, but it's better than arguing with a gate agent about your yoga pants. Check your airline's policy before you fly. When in doubt, go for simple, covered, and comfortable. Don't let your outfit be the reason you miss your flight. Play it safe and you'll breeze through the gate. The new travel uniform, layers, and common sense. Let's keep moving. Next up, carry-on luggage. Airlines are shrinking the size limits, and the sizers at the gate are stricter than ever. What fit last year might not fit today, and even a bulging zipper or protruding wheel can mean a surprise fee. Budget airlines are notorious for this. Cheap tickets, but sky-high fees if your bag is even slightly too big. I've seen travelers forced to check bags they've used for years, all for a few extra centimeters. The solution? Measure your bag before you pack. Length, width, and height, both empty and full. Don't eyeball it. Check your airline's website for exact dimensions. Overstuffing can make your bag bulge past the limit. It's tedious, but it can save you $50 and a lot of stress. If you're close to the limit, pack light and leave a little wiggle room. Don't let a surprise at the gate ruin your trip. A few minutes with a measuring tape can save your vacation. Be proactive, not reactive. On to the next rule. Security lines are getting slower, thanks to new screening rules. Now, you have to remove all electronics larger than a phone. Laptops, tablets, e-readers, even big battery packs. Food is under more scrutiny too. Dense snacks or powders can trigger extra checks. Liquids. Some checkpoints want each item out of your bag, not just the clear pouch. The best strategy: pack with security in mind. Keep electronics and snacks accessible and have your liquids ready to pull out. Organization is key. Think of it as prepping for a pit stop, not a hassle. The more prepared you are, the faster you'll get through. Don't be the person holding up the line. Stay organized and you'll breeze through security. Boarding passes are going digital. Your phone is now your ticket. If your phone dies, you can't get through security or board your flight. Outlets are scarce, and charging stations are always crowded. Always travel with a fully charged power bank, and a backup if you can. Keep your charging cable in your carry-on, not your checked bag. Take a screenshot of your boarding pass in case you lose Wi-Fi or data. If you're not tech-savvy, ask for help before you travel. Don't assume you can print a backup. Many airlines are phasing out paper passes. Protect your battery life like it's gold. Digital convenience is great until your phone dies. Be ready and you'll avoid a travel disaster. Let's keep going. Free checked bags are almost extinct. Most economy fares don't include them anymore. That cheap ticket? It can cost you $30, $40 or more each way for a checked bag. Families and long trips get hit hardest, and the fees add up fast. This pushes everyone to cram more into their carry-ons, making overhead bin space a battleground. Always check what's included before you book. Sometimes, a slightly pricier fare with a free bag is actually cheaper overall. Airline credit cards often include a free checked bag. Look into it if you travel often. Read the fine print, not just the headline price. Don't get caught off guard at check-in. Plan ahead, and you'll avoid surprise fees. Next up, timing is everything. Arriving late is riskier than ever. Airlines now enforce strict cutoff times for check-in and bag drop. The old 1 hour for domestic, 2 for international rule is outdated. Now, plan for 2 hours domestic, 3 for international, minimum. Miss the cutoff, and you could lose your flight and your money. No exceptions, no sympathy. Staffing shortages and longer security lines mean everything takes longer. It's better to be bored at the gate than panicking in traffic. Treat extra airport time as part of your trip. Relax, grab a snack, and avoid the stress. Early is the new on time. The list of banned carry-on items keeps growing. Loose lithium batteries, big power banks, and even some powders are now restricted or require special screening. Over 12 ounces of powder, like protein or baby formula, must be screened separately. Camping fuel, bear spray, and even some tools are absolute no-goes. Rules vary by airline and country, so always check before you pack. Use the TSA or your country's security website to search for specific items. 5 minutes of research can save you from losing expensive gear at security. Don't let a banned item ruin your trip. Airports are rolling out facial recognition for ID checks and boarding. It's fast and efficient, but raises privacy concerns. Where does your data go? Mistakes happen, and the tech isn't perfect, especially for women and people of color. If you're uncomfortable, you can usually opt out and request manual verification. But you have to ask. They won't always tell you it's an option. Know your rights before you travel. Biometric tech is here to stay, so stay informed. Don't be caught off guard by a camera at the gate. Protect your privacy and be ready for the future of travel. Let's talk about lounges. Airport lounges are more crowded than ever, and access rules are tightening. Day passes are disappearing, guest policies are stricter, and some lounges turn people away during peak hours. Credit cards that once guaranteed entry may not anymore. Always check your benefits. Earning elite status is harder, with higher spending and flying requirements. Lounges are returning to exclusivity, rewarding loyalty over plastic. If lounge access matters, focus your travel with one airline and read the fine print. Don't assume you'll get in. Plan ahead. The lounge is now a true perk, not a guarantee. Traveling with pets is tougher than ever. Rules are stricter for animals in the cabin and cargo. Emotional support animals are mostly out. Only trained service animals are allowed. Pet carriers must meet strict size and safety standards, and paperwork requirements are complex. International travel means even more documentation. Health certificates, vaccines, microchips. If your paperwork isn't perfect, your pet could be denied boarding or quarantined. Reserve your pet's spot early. Flights have limits. Call your airline and your vet as soon as you book. Preparation is key for a smooth trip with your furry friend. That's it. 10 new rules changing the way we fly. It can feel overwhelming, but being prepared puts you in control. Know the rules, and you'll avoid last-minute stress and fees. Travel smart, not hard. Plan ahead, stay organized, and enjoy the journey. Check the links below for travel deals and more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy travels. See you at the gate.